Okay, so now we're going to move on to the first verse. Okay, so then she says, there's a couple of them, so yes, but we're going to get it. So she says, you are my flowers. Okay, so you point to God, you, with your right hand, you are my, like you're going to touch, but don't touch it, because remember, you are going to be wearing white makeup. Okay, so don't touch too much on the face, just like right here. You are your flowers. So flowers, you're going to go with your right hand and you're going to go to that corner. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to look. Okay, so right there. Okay, so let's go. You are the 1, 2, 3, 4 there. Okay, that's the first one. Then the second one says, again, you are the sunshine. So you are the, so look at the sun. So the sun, there's the sun, again your right hand, the sun in the winter. And it's like you hold yourself, oh, the winter in Bloemfontein, Free State, you know, it's cold, so you hold yourself winter. Okay? Then she says, cool breeze. Again, you are the cool breeze. So cool breeze, it's like, oh, nice, cool breeze. And then skin, you stop. And then she says, oh, you get me. Now we're going to go on the rhythms there. So she says, so cool breeze, skin, oh, you get me. Okay, so 4 times. You are the cool breeze, skin, oh, you get me. Okay, so let's try that on music.